Respected teachers, dear students and parents, today we are going to learn about 6th standard second term English first chapter Sports Stars. In this chapter, lessons divided into 3 sections. In this class, we discuss about a interesting diary. It denotes Indian women's cricket team captain and a dynamic player Mithali Dorairaj. Listen carefully, students. Try to read with me by the help of our textbook. Just listen. Each day is a new beginning. It has so much to unfold, and I had the best day at school today. As usual, that day also came. But I don't know that day is an extraordinary day. Next paragraph. Cricket is something that I love. Today, my teacher told us that we would be learning about a cricketer. I thought of Sachin, Virat Kohli and many other male players in the Indian cricket team. But she introduced Mithali Dorairaj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of the Indian women's cricket team in Test and the One Day Internationals. I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my little sister play cricket with me. I would tell her, "This is not for you. You had better play with the girls." However, I was taken by surprise when I learned that Mithali started to play the game at the age of 10 and that she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. I love cricket. My teacher told we learning about a cricketer. My inner thoughts believe maybe Sachin, Kohli or Dhoni or some male players. But I am surprised about the person Mithali Dorairaj. She was played all level cricket for Indian women team. I have never thought about women cricket. Even though my sister wants play cricket, but I am not accept this. I would tell her it is not for you. You had better play with girls. But the real is Mithali started to play the game at the age of 10. What a youngest stage, She got a chance in Indian women cricket team at the age of 17. The next paragraph. Mithali lives in Hyderabad. I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. I felt very proud that she has been widely recognized and acknowledged. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in ODIs. Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. In fact, she is nicknamed Tendulkar of women's cricket. In fact, she is nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. As she is presently all the time leading run scorer for India in all formats, including Test, ODIs and T20s. I would love to quote what Mithali had to say about this compliment. Mithali lives in Hyderabad, but her mother tongue is Tamil. She was very proud about her, recognized and acknowledged. She was the highest run scorer in Indian women cricket. She surpassed the 6,000 run mark in ODI. Mithili is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. Consecutive means continue 50s. Her nickname is Tendulkar of India. Her nickname is Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. Everybody know about Sachin Tendulkar's records and unforgettable contribution for Indian cricket team. She signs regularly at all level crickets. The next paragraph. She said, on the one hand, being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. On the other, being a woman cricketer, I want to people to know me for my own identity. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. On the one hand, comparing to Sachin is a great privilege. Sachin has contributed a lot of for Indian cricketing, but I do not doing even half of what he did. On the other hand, I am a woman cricketer. I want to show my own identity. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. The next paragraph. She indeed is an inspiration to all of us. She actually started playing cricket with her brother. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the grounds where he practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and returned the ball when it came her way. Though it was a humble start, she managed to secure a name and a place for herself. Many of us think cricket is for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are on par with men in every field. The government of India recognition of her contribution to cricket conferred on her the Padma Shri award. She is an inspiration for all us. Her childhood cricket partner is her brother. When she was young, she practiced with her father. Her beginning is outside of ground. Slowly and gradually improve herself. Many of think cricket is for men. But Mithili broke all traditional barriers and proved herself. What a hard work. Just imagine. Indian government gave Padma Shri award for contribution of the women's Indian cricket team for Mithili Thurairaj. The next paragraph. And I forgot to mention about the recent achievement of Indian women cricket team. Mithili Raj and other women player Smriti Manthana hit stylish half centuries, and India cruised to comfortable 9-wicket victory over South Africa in the second women's T20 international on 23rd of February 2018. Mithili anchored the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. Now that I am inspired by her and my attitude has changed, I certainly will be happy when my little sister follows her passion. Here, her recent achievement is with her team player Smriti Manthana Hit style is half centuries and India got a comfortable and great victory over South Africa in the second Women's T20 International on 23rd of February 2018. At the time, Mithili anchored the innings to perfection with her unbeatable 76 runs. Now the diary is come to close this page. Now that I am inspired by her and my attitude has changed, I certainly will be happy when my little sister follows her passion. Okay, students, read 3 more times and make practice to read and just try to understand each and every sentences. All the best. Very good.